Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your MacBook. Due to past disputes, the native Mac OS version of Fortnite has not received updates for several years. This means the only way to experience the latest seasons, events, and features of Fortnite on your Mac is through cloud gaming. This method streams the game directly to your device, bypassing the need for local installation or powerful hardware. To get started, you will need to choose a cloud gaming service. Top choices like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce now offer Fortnite. Ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, for smooth gameplay. While some services have free options, premium subscriptions often provide better performance and longer play sessions. Once you have selected a service, simply open your web browser and navigate to its website. You will then log in with your Epic Games account to ensure all your progress and purchases are accessible. For the best experience, connect a compatible game controller via Bluetooth or USB. While some services support keyboard and mouse, a controller often provides a more seamless gaming feel. To maximize your Fortnite experience, consider a few optimization tips. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for minimizing latency. Close any other applications running on your MacBook to free up system resources. Additionally, within Fortnite settings, try lowering the graphics quality to a medium or low preset. This can significantly improve frame rates and overall responsiveness during intense gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.